because the people of Kenya are interested in Nairobi, just like Nairobi. Just by building 150 markets, in addition to the 47, what we are pronouncing ourselves is that we shall almost quadruple the demand for food and agriculture that will reverberate across the borders of Kenya. Goats from the northeastern side, tea from the Rift Valley, potatoes from central Kenya, bananas from the eastern side, peas from the lower eastern side. All the things you grow, Nairobi is the heart. This is the true front porch. And I would like to sit down by saying this. The debate is not so much what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. We capture that well here. The contest is about the leader who will get it done. Will you choose the usual, normal, political type, or will you go for the fresh, professional, get it done, get the job done type of politics? Or do you want the usual political, the usual political play?
You know, to transform Nairobi to a world-class city so that it can be a hub in Africa, that is a determination that we have with our governor here, Polycarp Igathe. And we want to ensure then to do that. If you look at the city and you walk there at night and you visit downtown and you go to where the people live, the estates, the streets are not lit. And we'll be able to work on this within the first 100 days to make sure we can restore lights and we can be able to install even the new lights within the city so that everybody can get out, and also we deal with the issues of security, and we'll be able to deal with that. I think the governor has talked about how we are going to clean the city. I just want to emphasize, to clean the city, first of all, garbage is business. We can make money out of it. You can get energy, you can have conversions, so that we can have we can get gas and some other essentials from garbage, and our youth and the women can get jobs out of this with the contracts that they'll be able to undertake. And so we are going to clean the city. We are going also to convert Dadora because it's almost to the full capacity, and we have visited that area, and we are going to begin to look how we deal with this, and we are going to invite companies dealing with garbage within the country and outside so that we can deal with this once and for all.